be hope their mind next generation?
I think এই ইনসিডেন্ট দেখার পরে নেক্সট জেনারেশন অনেক ইন্সপায়ার হবে যে এই রকমের যার মনে ওদের মনে যে যা বিরোধ করতে ব্রেভলি ওরা যেমন নিজের মনের কথা আগে বলতে পারেন তো I feel next generation will focus.
Freedom of speech.
Yeah, freedom of speech. Exactly. আমি ইংলিশে বলবো বা হিন্দি?
বলতে পারেন।
Okay. I'm looking into Abu Said's death, how it happened, why it happened, the background of it. Externally, what I read sitting back in Delhi and on the global platforms as well was a very short gist of it, not any detailed report. What I'm looking into is a much more detailed aspect of it because a lot of things might have been in play. And I wanted to speak to the parents. I mean, their memory of their lost son. So that is what I'm here for. What I understand is that they are very simple people, very humble people. His background is very humble. A very simple boy. His brothers are down to earth people, and I mean, what he was really protesting for was something very genuine. Asking for a reform, asking for the change of the quota system. I think that was a very genuine cause. So that's what I felt while that's very important for the next generation. I'm Aisha Sabir. I am an Indian. I was born and raised in Calcutta. I'm an independent journalist. I work with different platforms internationally and nationally. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you.